Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Vanguard in League of Legends. First, a simple restart of your computer can often resolve many temporary software conflicts and glitches that might be preventing Vanguard from working correctly. Next, always ensure both your League of Legends client and the Vanguard anti-cheat system are fully updated to their latest versions. Outdated software is a common cause of errors. Finally, verify your internet connection is stable and strong, as connectivity issues can sometimes interfere with Vanguard's operation. If a restart doesn't work, try running League of Legends as an administrator. This grants the game necessary permissions to interact with Vanguard properly. Also, close any unnecessary background applications that might conflict with Vanguard, such as other anti-cheat software or overlays. Sometimes, a clean reinstall of Vanguard itself can fix persistent issues. You can usually do this through the Riot client or by uninstalling it from your system's programs. For more stubborn problems, verifying the integrity of your game files through the Riot client can repair corrupted data. This process ensures all game components are intact. Additionally, temporarily disabling your firewall or antivirus software might reveal if they are blocking Vanguard. Remember to re-enable them afterward for security. Lastly, ensure your Windows operating system is fully updated, as system updates often include critical security and compatibility fixes. If you've tried everything and Vanguard still isn't working, it's time to contact Riot Games player support. They have specialized tools and knowledge to diagnose complex issues. Be sure to provide them with any specific error codes you've encountered, as these can help pinpoint the exact problem. Also, remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to enhance your gaming setup and daily life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.